Quick tip video if you need to disassemble the base of your Surface Book. I actually need to replace my trackpad because it's unresponsive with a donor one. So what you're going to need is plastic spongers, not metal ones or anything metal in particular, because the back panel does have batteries on it and you do not want to puncture that with metal. You will have a fire. So you're going to take your heat gun, get your spudger in there, heat up about an inch area, wiggle your spudger down, heat up another area, wiggle it around. All the way around, you do have this sticky tape here, and especially this area right here is very difficult. It is very strong. I wish I knew that going into it. But once you've loosened up the entire perimeter, you also have glue right here, and lastly right here. So what you're going to need to do is take your heat gun and just heat up this area before you finally lift away the back panel. Once you lift away the back panel, don't fully pull it away, because this cable right here is actually connected to your back panel to actually receive the battery power. If you need to replace the trackpad, you're going to have one screw here and a couple screws here and here, and those are going to be a T3. So if you have an iFixit toolkit, that will definitely help you out a lot.